Hi Dave, this is David Carr. Today we're looking at a vintage farmhouse. This is built prior to the 1900s. You can see the original window here. And you can see the wide plank floors. Here you can see the low ceilings, and these are the rough hewn beams. We're going to walk through this house. There are people coming in here now, so we're going to hear them. We're on the second floor. That was one bedroom. Now we're going to look at the full bath on the second floor. So you can see the full bath on the second floor. And this is the bedroom. We have forced air heat, which is coming out. So you see all the wide planks. It's a beautiful, original style home. We're going to go down the stairs. Houses like this have a lot of settling. We're going to take a look at these stairs, which are not level anymore. And going to notice the stairs. These stairs are not level here. And we're going to move into the living room. Again, original style. You can see the woodwork, time, molding, and there we go. Oh, someone's very close to the street. See how close it is to the street with the stone wall. And moving into the dining room, we're going to look at, here's the dining room. So you can see there's beautiful, all the rough hewn beams here, and looking out, you can see you are looking out over a pond. So I'm not sure where the property line is, but you see there is a pond here, and here's the door out to the pond. We're going to walk into the kitchen, and this has been recently renovated. You see the slate floor and the bathroom, which has been fully renovated in the last, I would say, last 20 years. Here you're into the kitchen. You can see the well in the back of the house. We are looking at house number 349, and here is the kitchen with the slate floor. And it has a nice plant window here, looking out. So you can see a nice granite counters here. And there it is. So this is a vintage farmhouse by a pond. Here we go back into the living room. We're going to see some people in here, and we're going to make a video. So we're going to try not to get them in the video. So now you're in the living room, and we are going to now see the fireplace. This is the fireplace in the living room, and this is the full side of the house here. So you see the nice wide plank floors, and you can see the lead glass. You can see the lead glass, and yes, there is air conditioning here and forced air. So living on a pond. This is number 349. My name's David Carr, Foundation Your Success in Real Estate since 1997.
I can't tell for sure. Good compliance.